So, good afternoon, everyone. Our subject for today is science, technology, and society. And the topic of my report today is all about environmental impact of industrial technology. So, industrial technology is the use of machines and tools to produce goods faster and in a large amounts. Next, the introduction. Industrial technology refers to the use of machine, tools, and systems to produce goods in a large amount. It plays faster and more efficiently. However, it also affects on the environment. This report discusses the definition of industrial technology, examples of industries, its advantages and disadvantages, and ways to reduce its negative impact on the environment. So these are the topic. This is our topic, the purpose, explanation, industrial technology, example, and advantages and disadvantages. So, ang industrial technology is ano siya gipanggamit sa mga industries. So, ang mga industries like manufacturing production or like like energy industries in mining industries in the Philippines. So, ano siya mga example sa industries nga naggamit og industrial technology nga there are several impact to to our environment. So next, factories release harmful gases, produce waste, and use large amount of natural resources, which can lead to pollution and environmental damage. Because of this, it is important to understand the environmental impact of industrial technology and find ways to reduce its negative effects while still benefiting from its advantages. So, unsa may mga example sa environmental impact sa industrial technology? So first, smoke from factories. Factories release gases like carbon dioxide. Ano siya makapahugaw sa sa air mo na maka-produce og air pollution. Next, chemical waste and plastic and solid waste or deforestation or overuse of natural resources. So, mo siya ay mga disadvantages sa industrial technology makapadaot sa atong environment. Next, the purpose of this report is to explain the environmental impact of industries technology. It aims to describe its advantages and disadvantages, provide examples of industries, and discuss how these activities affect the environment. This report also seeks to present possible strategies to reduce negative environmental effect and promote more sustainable industrial practices. And industrial technologies continue to grow and become bigger because they are important for meeting in the needs of the people. As the population increases, the demand for food, energy, transportation, and product also rises. Industries expand to produce more goods quickly and efficiently, which helps support daily life and economic growth. So, dili mapugan kining industrial technology nga mo grow because ang population sa mga tao is nagkadaghan pod, so need og demand for foods or energy or transportation. Another reason is profit. Many companies aim to earn more money, so they increase production and use advanced technology to stay competitive. This often leads to large factories and more operations, even if it means using more natural resources. So, ang uban nga mga industries is nagcompeting pud sila. So, ganahan nga maka-earn pa og more profit ang mga owner sa those industries. So mao nagpadayon siya og pataas. So for the needs of the people, so mo na siya advantages sa industrial technology. Industrial growth is also driven by modernization and innovation. New machine, cheaper, encouraging industries to expand further. Governments may also support industrial development because it creates jobs and improves the economic. So ang industry, so ang industrial technology siya tungod sa mga innovation like sa atong mga gipang buhat nga innovative project, so mo nang nahimo ning industrial technologies nga gipanggamit sa mga industries. So next, however, despite these benefits, some industries continue to harm the environment because reducing pollution can be costly. Not all the companies are willing or able to invest in cleaner technologies. In some cases, environmental laws may not be strict or properly enforced. So however, despite these benefits, there are some disadvantages for industrial technology. Nga man siya itong gi-mention: smoke or air pollution, water pollution, cutting trees, deforestation. Because sa kadagan nga atong sa kadagan nga industries, nagamit niya sila og natural resources para ma-produce ang usa ka product. Next, let's move on to industrial technology example. So man siya, manufacturing industries. Factories produce products such as clothes, electronics, and cars using machine and automated system. This makes production faster and more efficient, but it can also create air pollution and waste materials. So man siya example, guys. Universal Rubina Corporation nga na diri sa sakop sa bais or sumko or ethanol. So unsa ang ilang manufacturing. So they produce sugar. How it helps: sugar is used in food and drinks like coffee, bread, and snacks. It gives energy and is important in many products people use every day. But sugar production create wastewater and smoke from machines. So man siya yung disadvantage. Say example sa manufacturing production. So mining industry. Mining companies extract minerals, coal, and metals from the earth. These resources are important for making products, but mining can damage land, destroy habitats, and pollute water sources. So muna siya disadvantages or apo siya advantages. Ang mining companies makatabang na siya pagkuha sa mga precious stones, but apo siya environmental impact. Energy industries, power plants, general electricity using sources like coal, oil, natural gas, or renewable energy. While energy is essential for daily life, burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases that contribute to air pollution and climate change. For agricultural industry, modern farming uses machines, fertilizers, and pesticides to increase crop production. This helps provide enough food, but chemicals can harm the soil and water if not used properly. So sometimes ang soil is ma-overuse mong madaot po siya muna siyang na po siya is soil waste or land pollution. So maka-create po siya na. X5, construction industry. Construction companies use heavy equipment to build roads, buildings, and bridges. This project supports development, but they can also produce dust, noise, and waste that affect the environment. So this is the 5 industrial technology example or industries nga na-impact sa atong environment for today's world generation. Industrial technology offers many benefits to society. First, it increases production, which means more goods are available for people. Second, it improves efficiency, allowing work to be done faster and with less effort. Third, it creates job opportunities in factories and companies. Lastly, it helps in economic growth by supporting business and trade. So, man siya advantages of industrial technology. So, na may mga job opportunities nga ma-open. So, og dagan pang production nga ma-produce. And sa mga needs sa mga people, is dali nga mahatag na to nila ang ilang demand. So, man siya advantages sa industrial technology. While despite its benefits, industrial technology also has negative effect on the environment. One major problem is pollution, including air, water, and land pollution. Factories release harmful gases into the air, which can cause health problems and climate change. So, motong akong gikon kanina, ang mga smoke or water waste or land pollution or destruction. So, man siya mga example of those picture downside. So, this is the example of the impact of environment using industrial technology. Another issue is the depletion of natural resources, as industries use large amount of water, minerals, and energy. Industry waste can also damage ecosystem and harm animals and plants. Additionally, the use of the fossil fuels contributes to global warming. So, muna siya global warming. So, muna yung init kaya ang panahon. Say, it's because for the impact of industrial technologies nga nabuo karon nga mga generation. And that's all. In the conclusion, industrial technology is very important because it helps industries produce goods faster and support economic growth. However, it also harms the environment. They should also use cleaner and renewable energy sources but to reduce these negative effects, industry should practice proper waste management such as recycling and treating wastewater before releasing it into the environment. They should also use cleaner and renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal power instead of relying only on fossil fuels. In addition, companies must follow environmental laws and use modern equipment that produce less pollution. So, muna siya atong buhaton para ma-minimize ang environmental impact or mga negative impact sa atong environment. So, use to reduce these negative effects, industry should practice proper waste management. and treating wastewater before releasing it into the environment. So that's all, and thank you.